That crunch you just heard? That's a residential gutter failing at 36 pounds of pole. That's less than a full 5-gallon bucket of water. So if you own a pole barn or you're about to build one, you need to see what happens when we put steel and aluminum gutters up to the test. So here's the thing nobody tells you when you're picking out gutters. You're picking on how much abuse that edge can take. A ladder jammed against it every spring, ice loading it down every winter, somebody leaning on it to clean it out. Everybody assumes a gutter is a gutter. We took our standard 6-inch steel gutter, grabbed a common 5-inch residential aluminum gutter, cut them both to identical 5-foot sections, and then ran them through tests. These tests mimic exactly how gutters fail in the real world. So test 1 is the ladder. This is the most common way a gutter gets wrecked. We recreated that with a hydraulic system and pulled each gutter to see the results. The aluminum gave out at 73.5 pounds. The steel took 129 pounds before it failed. Now, quick thing so nobody's confused. A 200-pound guy doesn't put 200 pounds on the gutter. If you stood on it, sure, that's almost all your weight in one spot. But leaning a ladder splits the load. Set at the proper angle, the ground carries most of it, 70 to 80%, and then only about 20 to 30% pushes into the top where it meets the gutter. So that 200-pound guy, he's really putting somewhere around 40 to 60 pounds on the gutter edge. So test 2, the straight down load. This is your ice dams, your wet snow, your gutter sagging under weight it was never meant to hold. We pulled straight down until each one failed. Aluminum tapped out at 36 pounds. The steel gutter held at 95 pounds before it gave out. That's almost 3 times the strength. These are controlled lab tests. They don't cover everyday situations you'll ever run into, and this wasn't purely steel versus aluminum as we're all metals. It was our standard 6-inch commercial grade steel gutters against a common 5-inch residential aluminum one. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to check our website and all of our social media platforms for more educational building tips. Until next time, build with confidence.